Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to find out how you can simply remove your number from your Temu account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do is tap open your Temu app. Once your Temu app gets booted up, it will lead you to its homepage where you need to simply click on the U option. Once you click it open, you have to scroll down and click on the settings option there. Once you are in the settings, you need to tap on account security. There you can find your mobile number, email and your password. So as I've entered my email address, I can simply edit it. However, I have not added my phone number in my Temu account. If you have entered your mobile phone number, you can simply edit it by adding a new mobile number or completely removing one. So to remove your mobile phone number, you need to first add one and simply edit it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.